이거 할게 이제.
Okay. Zayan Zalami. Okay.
Yes.
Zayan Zalami. Okay. Before I'm just look the video. Now I'm just a meeting. I'm so happy, and also he gave the one T-shirt. Very happy. So now it's a good chance for we come here and play the Bishava Zalami team. Just I think it's a good choice and just play the game and with the superstar we should be improve more quick.